Hello students, welcome to Sauras's classes. The question is, which of the following are convergent? Option A, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity n squared into 2 to the power minus n. Now using D'Alembert's ratio test for this, we get limit an by an plus 1 is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Here would be n tends to infinity as well. N squared into 2 to the power minus n by n plus 1 squared into 2 to the power minus n minus 1, which is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. Therefore, the series is convergent. Now, checking for option B. Again using D'Alembert's ratio test, limit n tends to infinity an by an plus 1 is equal to limit n tends to infinity n to the power minus 2 into 2 to the power n by n plus 1 to the power minus 2 to 2 to the power n plus 1 is equal to half, which is less than 1. Therefore, this series is divergent. So option B is incorrect. Now for option C, that is summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n log n. Now if a series is of the form n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n to the power p into log n to the power q, now this series is convergent if p greater than 1 or if p is equal to 1, q's need to be greater than 1. Now over here p equals 1 and q equals 1. So again this is divergent. And for option D, limit n tending to infinity an is equal to limit n tending to infinity 1 by n log of 1 plus 1 by n, that is limit n tending to infinity 1 by n into 1 by n minus 1 by 2n squared and so on, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, this is divergent as well. So the correct option is option A. The next question is, let mn greater than is equal to 1 be a double array of real numbers. Define p is equal to limit infimum amn, q is equal to limit infimum limit supremum amn, r is equal to limit supremum limit infimum amn, and s is equal to limit supremum amn. And for all the cases m and n both tend to infinity, then which of the following statements are necessarily true? Now, as limit m tending to infinity infimum amn less than equal to limit m tending to infinity supremum amn implies p less than equal to q. Therefore, option A is correct. Now, take amn is equal to minus 1 to the power mn. Then q is equal to 1 and r is equal to minus 1. So option B is incorrect. Again, as done in option A, as limit infimum less than supremum, or rather less than equal to limit supremum. So R less than equal to S. Again, option C is correct, and again using this result, P is equal to limit infimum n tending to infinity, m tending to infinity, amn less than equal to q is equal to limit n tending to infinity, infimum, limit m tending to infinity supremum, amn less than equal to limit supremum n tending to infinity, limit supremum m tending to infinity, amn is equal to s. Therefore, option D is again correct. So A, B and D are the correct options.